Imagine walking into a factory, and instead of cars, phones, or laptops, you see humanoid robots rolling off the line. Not one per week, not one per day, one every hour. Yeah, that's not the future. That's happening right now. This is the Figure F03 humanoid robot, and something big just happened behind the scenes that most people aren't talking about yet. They didn't just improve the robot, they figured out how to mass produce it. And once that happens, everything changes. Just 4 months ago, they were building one robot per day. Now, they've scaled up to one robot every single hour. That's a 24 times jump in production speed in under 120 days. Let that sink in. They're now producing around 55 robots per week, and they've already built hundreds of these machines. This isn't a prototype anymore. This is a production line. And this didn't happen by accident. They built an entire manufacturing system from scratch, with over 150 connected workstations, custom software tracking every step, and more than 50 inspection points just to make sure each part is right. Even the robots themselves go through intense testing. We're talking full-body workouts, squats, shoulder movements, even jogging, over and over again, just to catch failures before they ever leave the factory. It's not just about building robots fast. It's about building them reliably. But here's the part most people miss. Every robot they build isn't just a product. It's a data machine. The more robots out there, the more real-world data they collect. And that data feeds directly into their AI system, making each new robot smarter, more stable, and more capable than the last. So scaling production doesn't just mean more robots. It means faster evolution. And we're already seeing the result of that. These robots can now see the world around them and adjust how they move in real time. Before, they could walk, but only in controlled conditions. Now, they can handle things like stairs, ramps, uneven ground, without being manually programmed for each scenario. No step-by-step instructions, no human correction. They learn it in simulation and just do it in the real world. That's a huge shift. So this isn't just about a robot getting better. This is about the moment humanoid robots stop being experiments and start becoming scalable. A factory that builds one robot every hour doesn't stay small for long. And once these machines start showing up outside the lab, that's when things really get interesting. So yeah, the question isn't if humanoid robots are coming. It's how fast. And based on this, faster than most people expect.